Hey, I'm Travis, a professional drone pilot with Sony Airpeak. Congratulations on your new Sony Airpeak system, the world's smallest drone that can carry a full-frame mirrorless Sony Alpha Series camera. Now let's take a look at everything you get in your Sony Airpeak package. Airpeak S1, landing gear, battery pack, battery charger, propellers, calibration board, remote controller, power cable, control cable, USB Type-C cable, and a micro USB cable. Now let's put this together. Next, let's sync the radio with the aircraft using the Airpeak Flight app. For this part, you'll need to install the Airpeak Flight app to your mobile device or tablet by going to electronics.sony.com/airpeak/mobile app. You will also need to create a Sony account if you have not done so. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a Sony account within the Airpeak Flight app. Now let's see this thing in the air. The Airpeak S1 is the world's smallest drone that can carry a full-frame Alpha Series mirrorless camera. It can achieve max speed of nearly 56 miles per hour with a max angular velocity of 180 degrees per second and an attitude angle up to 55 degrees. It can fly stably in winds up to 45 miles per hour and has a max flight time of 22 minutes without a payload and about 12 with a payload. Max payload is about 5.5 pounds. It has retractable landing gears for unobstructed camera field of view. Sony developed stereo cameras and a vision sensing processor provide real-time 3D spatial awareness. It can achieve stable flight in enclosed spaces or when out of range of global navigation satellite systems. It is equipped with obstacle braking function and multi-directional sensing. You can even have dual operation mode for independent control of aircraft and gimbal. There are a variety of flight modes including standard mode, which ensures all sensors and obstacle detection are on for a safe and stable flight experience. Velocity mode, which reduces effects of wind on hovering, turning, and maneuvering. Altitude mode, no global navigation satellite system. On-course function, pilots can accomplish accurate recreations of circular flight paths. You can customize maximum speed, angles, acceleration rates, and other parameters. So that's the Airpeak S1 in flight. This gives you an idea of the beautiful footage you can capture with it. Now let me walk you through some of the apps and tools powering the system. Airpeak Flight app works on Apple iOS 14, iPad OS 14, or above. Use the app to control the aircraft, remote controller, camera, and gimbal. Fully compatible with Alpha full-frame mirrorless cameras and allowing for mid-flight adjustments. On the flight screen, view real-time images captured by the equipped camera or FPV cam. Customize flight control and camera settings of the remote controller. Automated flights. Execute flight routes created on the Airpeak Base web app. From the Airpeak Flight app, do this all while being able to monitor and control the gimbal and camera. With Airpeak Base, you can create sophisticated automated flight missions for workflow efficiency. Airpeak Base, a web-based application to manage data in the cloud, create sophisticated missions, and maintain fleet health. Project, create flight plans. Devices, detailed device status and usage logs, set up error warnings and maintenance reminders. Logbook, manage flight routes and logs. Airpeak Plus subscription, details to be announced, extended cloud storage service, and full functionality of Airpeak Base app. That's Sony's Airpeak S1 system. Hope you get to try it out for yourself soon.